Been a little minute since I made a vlog, but I just redid the rear end on my little mini bike. I'm gonna go get 2 more of those. Just got finished running. That white stuff that's fixed to flat. I found out, yeah, I had broke the brake exhaust. Get the little exhaust can up on the joint. I'm probably gonna be swapping that out. From like right there. I got new fuel lines coming, new filter. I'm gonna get another spark plug. And the way it's looking, I might upgrade the card. That's it right there. I got the filter coming, the air filter coming for that, and that. I'm gonna change the spark plug just so she could ride. This ain't no speeding. Yeah, we got good brakes in the front, baby. Yeah. I have lights on and I'm gonna do some, you know, but this my little ride around. It's my little budget bill. I got a scooter, a moped seat. That's why I got that on there. So the moped seat can sit on there, because I paid a little nothing for this, so. I get a welder, it's a wrap. I get a welder, it's a wrap. I'm gonna get a free spin back tire, and I'm gonna get the other chain. I think this chain might work, may not, but I'm gonna cut like right there, and I want a steel solid pipe to go in. Then I weld and extend them out to about like right there. And I have my muffler, I'm gonna have my pipe. Then at that point, we'll probably be going to a bigger motor, and I'm gonna sell this motor. It's easy to take off or whatever, so I can just take it. I wanna go to a kickstart. Yeah, change the card. You dig? I might just get rid of the whole thing because the motors ain't that big. We'll start off this frame platform. If I extend those, I want to get some bigger these, so it can sit up just off the little frame, and then bigger motor. If I can get the motor in there. I get the motor in there. Got my tranny. So that's free spin joint. Yeah, it's my little toy I'm working on for the winter. See the blue rims, gray. Yeah, it's my little giddy up. Might want to ride it up to the store or something. Boop, 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 boop. I gotta do something about that exhaust ASAP. Yeah, it's a work in progress. I only put this on here so I could be able to ride it. Put that seat on there. It's long enough too. So, maybe not. I might just go with a bigger back wheel, but I'm not So this is the vlog. This is what I've been working on over the coronavirus pandemic. That's what we've been doing. Might hit a little paint. I don't know. Keep it the way it is though. Some blue inserts, fuel, full. All right. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Hit that notification bell. Y'all know, y'all see what's happening. See what's happening. Hit that little notification bell, know what I'm saying? Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Casella's World coming up next.